In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your line password easily, even if you've completely forgotten your login details. Whether you're trying to get back into your account after switching phones, or you simply want to restore access without losing your chats, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, I'll break everything down so you can follow along without any confusion at all. First, open your Play Store or App Store and go to the Line app page. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Uninstall. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Tap on Uninstall, confirm it, and then reinstall the app by tapping Install once again. This refreshes the app completely and takes you back to the login screen without any leftover issues from before. Next, click on Open and you'll see the main login menu. You'll see several options that help you sign back into your account. Tap on Login, and when the pop-up appears, tap OK to proceed. After that, tap on Login with another method. This is the key step because it allows you to sign in using your connected email, Apple account, or Google account, even if you no longer remember your password. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be super user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the Google or Apple account that you originally linked to your Line profile. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection before logging in. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary login errors or verification issues. Once you've completed these steps, go ahead and select your Line account when it appears on the screen. After that, tap Login and choose your Apple account or email to verify ownership. After that, you should be able to access your Line account again without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to decide whether you want to restore your chat history or skip it if you prefer starting fresh. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your information safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to recover your Line password and regain access to your account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?